So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Kohler toilet. This is, I think, out of Home Depot or Lowe's. One of the other homeowner purchased this and brought it out. We took the old one out. We're going to haul that away for them and get rid of it. So we always recommend Kohler toilets, Kohler or Toto. You got other manufacturers. We just don't have a track record with them, so we can't tell you how good their products are. We do have trouble with specific brands. We won't mention them. But Kohler we always have a good track record with. So anyways, shutoff valve was leaking a little bit down on the wall. That is your valve right here. And so that guy, the packing nut was leaking, so we just tightened it down so no dripping now. Additionally, it was a 1/2 inch IPS iron pipe size fitting here, so we just put an adapter on to get to our new 3/8 hose. So that's connected. It's a brand new braided stainless steel supply line, and so that's good. We've caulked it back in for you all the way around to the back. So, and tested it. It flushes correctly, fills correctly, and shuts off correctly. Everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.